Welcome to episode 2 of AH's Digital Fluency series. SEO, search engine optimization, Google, one and the same, synonymous, right? Well, you'd be surprised to know that the second largest search engine out there is a video search engine, and it goes by the name of YouTube. That's right. 1/3 of all internet activity right now is spending time watching videos online. That's a lot of videos. 8 out of 10 of those videos are being found through search engines, but only one search engine, YouTube. So, how can you ensure as a nonprofit and association that your videos to your audience aren't being flooded by the 500 hours of video being uploaded every minute? Well, SEO. But not website SEO. This is YouTube SEO. And I'm going to walk you through the main components right now. First step is keyword research. You're going to want to identify a target or primary keyword, which will be the word you'd like your video to rank for when someone does a Google or YouTube search. A really good baseline to start your keyword research would be to simply go to YouTube search field, type in a keyword related to your field, and what you'll get is a bunch of keyword suggestions that are popular searches on YouTube. Now that you've identified your target keyword and a group of related keywords, it's time to optimize. When uploading your video, there's 3 key areas that you should incorporate your keywords: your video's title, your video's description, and your video's tags. And finally, here's a pro tip. For videos longer than 10 minutes, add YouTube timestamps in your video description. YouTube timestamps are ways to link to specific moments in your video. Think of them as video bookmarking. And not only do timestamps improve the user experience, but they also boost your SEO since both YouTube and Google reward their use. That's YouTube SEO 101. Stay tuned for another episode of AH's Digital Fluency series. I'm out.